food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into 5 healthy shrimp recipes for weight loss. So, let's get started. Wait, before starting shrimp recipe video, we introduce you with alpha-liin, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Recipe 5. Shrimp and avocado salad wraps. We're starting with shrimp and avocado salad wraps that are both satisfying and incredibly flavorful. In a bowl, combine large shrimp, diced ripe avocados, finely chopped red onion, chopped fresh cilantro leaves, lime juice, olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Mix until well combined. Spoon the shrimp and avocado salad into whole grain wraps or lettuce leaves and fold them into delicious wraps. It's a hearty and protein-packed salad that's perfect for a balanced and nutritious meal. Recipe 4. Shrimp and broccoli stir-fry. Let's stir things up with a shrimp and broccoli stir-fry that's not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. In a hot skillet or wok, stir-fry large shrimp, broccoli florets, thinly sliced red bell pepper, minced garlic, and minced fresh ginger until the shrimp are pink and cooked through. Drizzle with low-sodium soy sauce or tamari, sesame oil, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for extra flavor. Serve over cooked brown rice or cauliflower rice. It's a quick and nutrient-rich stir-fry that's perfect for a satisfying dinner. Get this amazing product. Click the link in the description below. Recipe 3. Shrimp and quinoa salad. Let's explore a shrimp and quinoa salad that's both filling and fastic for your weight loss journey. In a bowl, combine large shrimp, cooked quinoa, diced cucumber, halved cherry tomatoes, thinly sliced red onion, and chopped fresh cilantro leaves. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice dressing, and season with salt and black pepper. Add optional toppings like avocado or crumbled feta cheese for extra flavor and creaminess. It's a hearty and protein-packed salad that's perfect for a balanced and nutritious meal. Recipe 2. Shrimp and zucchini noodles. Let's move on to a light and refreshing shrimp and zucchini noodles recipe that's both low in calories and high in flavor. In a skillet, saute large shrimp in olive oil until they're pink and cook through. Add spiralized zucchini noodles, halved cherry tomatoes, minced garlic, chopped fresh basil leaves, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for extra flavor. Season with salt and black pepper. If you like, you can also sprinkle some grated Parmesan cheese on top. It's a light and satisfying dish that's perfect for a quick and healthy dinner. Recipe 1. Lemon garlic shrimp skewers. Let's wrap things up with a zesty and flavorful dish. Lemon garlic shrimp skewers. In a bowl, combine fresh lemon juice and zest, minced garlic, olive oil, chopped fresh parsley leaves, salt, and black pepper. Thread the marinated shrimp onto skewers and grill until they're pink and cooked through. It's a simple yet incredibly flavorful dish that's perfect for a light and healthy meal. These skewers are a delightful way to enjoy the natural flavors of shrimp, ready to shed those extra pounds. Get alpha-liin? Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and recipes. We'll see you in the next video!